Alright guys, so now we're here in the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to show you how to actually create your blog. So first of all, as you can see in the dashboard, we have the post section, the media section, pages. You can actually customize everything of your blog in this part. So for this first part, we're going to want to select your theme that you're going to be using. A theme that you like, a theme that it's gonna look professional and it's gonna be a nice looking blog so that people like where your content is. So first of all, we would like to come here to appearance and go here to themes. Now, when you have the custom WordPress, the basic WordPress, you're going to have these three custom themes which are free, or you can just download some premium themes that are going to be much better in my opinion. I recommend you to buy premium themes instead of using free themes because they're going to have much more options. They're going to look more professional. Their coding is going to be better. The updates will be much better. And these custom themes or free themes are going to be able to put your information out there. And if you have a tight budget, well, you can use these themes. You just hit the theme you like, and activate it. But if you want something more professional, you would like to invest in something better, I encourage you to buy a premium theme. So for example, 1140 Pro theme is one of the best themes out there. So I'm actually going to use this for the demonstration. And to use this theme, you're going to need this Genesis framework, which is one of the best frameworks out there. So I'm going to show you how to actually download another theme right here. So first, you need to go to Add New, and in here you're going to be able to choose your file. And when you download your WordPress theme from another website, you're going to want to save it as a zip file. For example, this one 1140 Pro, I just open it here and install now. Okay, so it's installing the theme, and the theme installed failed because I already have this theme, but in your case this is actually going to work, so don't worry. And the Genesis framework, it's the same story. You just add new, choose file. I can search it here. So here is the zip. I just open it, install now, and it's going to work perfectly. So when you have your theme ready, you enter your theme, your website, your domain. Mine is actually here. So I'm just going to show you. I put my domain name, and it's going to bring me to the basic page of the theme. And you're not going to have anything here. This is where you're going to put your pages, your posts, your videos, your photos. And now I will show you how to create your own opt-in form to add people to your list. So what I mean by this is actually making a widget right here where people put in their emails and to get your offer, and you send them to a sales page, to a thank you page, anything you want. So this is one of the most important things, because when people come to your website, you would want to get that customer forever so that you can promote more things, teach them many opportunities, teach them your information, so that you're not going to lose that customer forever. Because this is one of the secrets about this business. You would want to create a relationship with the customer and actually keep that customer so that you can get more sales, get more benefits, and you can actually help them at the same time. This is one of the greatest things. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, to do this, you will need an autoresponder. For me, the best autoresponder out there is Pure Leverage. With Pure Leverage, you can actually store the person's emails when they opt in here in the opt-in form, and you're going to get their emails here, and you can send them automated emails, and you can actually create many things here. You can make the opt-in form that I'm going to show you right now. And Pure Leverage is actually one of the best out there because it has a great affiliate program that you can use. So when you buy the Pure Leverage, you can use these affiliate programs to get good commissions, and it's actually has a very good price compared to the other autoresponders. So now I'm going to show you how to create your opt-in form box for your website. So when you enter Pure Leverage and you sign in, this is your home page, and now you would want to come down here, come to level 1 marketing suite, and come here to autoresponder. In autoresponder, you're going to be able to create your campaign. You just come here, add campaign. You put the campaign name, description, the from name, email, website URL, and just add it. I already have my campaign, so I'm not going to do this right now. And then you're going to have your forms list here. I'm going to have this is my form list. So basically, to create your opt-in form page, you're going to come here to forms, form wizard, and you're going to have some templates here that you can choose from. You can actually create your own template, your opt-in form, but in this case I'm just going to choose one of these. For example, I will choose, let's say, I will choose this one. So I just click the template that I want. Make sure to put your campaign name here. Since I only have one here, I'm going to use this one. Then your campaign name again here. Your thank you page, you can choose one of these ones, the English mail. This is going to be some options that Pure Leverage gives you, but if you want to redirect the customer to another page, to another thank you page apart from these ones, you just put custom URL and put your link here. For example, if you want to redirect them to another website, to another sales page or anything, you just put the link here. But for this video I'm going to use English mail. Then you can actually have this double opt-in so that the person confirms the subscription before subscribing. But in my case, I'm just going to check this out because I'm not really going to use it. And you can change your submit text by, for example, just put subscribe now. Oh, here. And then create. And now you're going to come to this page where you're going to get this HTML code. Don't bother looking at this text because you just need to copy this. Oh, here, just copy this. All right, copy and paste so that you can come here and come to widgets. In appearance, you come to widgets. So now you're going to have these options, right? You're going to have the header right, primary sidebar, secondary sidebar. But in this case, you would want to put your opt-in form in the primary sidebar. Of course, you can actually put it in the header or secondary sidebar. But in this video, I'm going to put it in the primary sidebar. To put the widget, you come here, scroll down, and find the text option. You just want to scroll this text to the primary sidebar and drag and drop. So now in this part you would want to paste the HTML code that you copied from Pure Leverage, this one, and so I paste and save. As soon as you save, this is going to be published in your blog. I will need to refresh, and here is going to be your opt-in form. You can actually change this text to whatever you want, and if you create your own opt-in form, you can modify it. But basically, this is the idea. The person puts his or her name here, email, and then subscribe now, and this opt-in form is going to redirect them to the thank you page that you chose, or in Pure Leverage. So this is a very good tool to get the person's email, so that you can get the customer forever and send information about tips, sales, products that you like, that you recommend, or anything. So as I told you before, you need a nice theme, so that you have a more professional looking website. And a website that I really like, that has a lot of themes, is elegantthemes.com. In here you can actually get 87 themes for $69. Most themes cost about $50 each in other places. So if you multiply 87 by 50, you're going to get a huge number, and you will not want to pay for that. So basically, Elegant Themes gives you the option to pay $78 for 87 themes, and that's about 0.70 cents per theme. So it's actually really cheap, and you're going to get extremely nice looking professional themes such as these ones. I'm just going to show you the themes that you can actually get. These are some of the most famous themes in this page. As you can see, they really look professional. You can have one of these themes for your own blog. So if you want to go to Elegant Themes and choose your theme, I'm going to put a link below this video, so that you can access. I'm also going to put a link below this video so that you can get Pure Leverage. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the importance of getting social media in your website, so that people, when they enter a blog post or something, they can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on all the social networks that they have. So to do this, you will want to come here and go to the plugin section and add new. The plugins are actually extras that you can put to your WordPress, so that you can have many cool things and add many cool things to your site. So in this case, to put the social media icons, you just search for dig, and you put search plugin. Okay, so it's dig is this one. So you just put install now. Are you sure you want to install this plugin? Okay. And WordPress is going to unpack the package, install it, and you need to actually activate the plugin so that it can be published. Okay, so now you have the plugin activated. Okay, so to edit the plugin, you just come here down the page, go to dig, and you can check out the global configuration, the normal display, floating display. So first I come here to global display. You can choose your language, show faces, and the thumbnail image. You can come to normal display and just check out if you want your buttons to be horizontal or vertical. You can just change it here. If you want your buttons to be displayed on your home page, post page, pages, or anything. So I'm just going to check that, and be sure to save changes after you edit the information. You can also customize the button layout here. Then you can come to floating display. You can check out how far you want the floating buttons to be from the left part of your website, and you can just come here and play with this and edit it how you want. So now that you have this, you're going to come to your site, and you're going to, let's say for example, come to this post, and you're going to see your floating display here. When people come to your website and share your information, this is going to make more credibility and more reliability to your website and to your name. It's going to create branding in the social media, and it's going to be very important, so that you can actually build your own empire with this blog throughout the social medias on the internet. This also going to create this is also going to benefit you in the search engine optimization, so that you can rank on Google, because it's going to have more backlinks to your website, more views, and this actually going to help you. Google actually likes this. So next, we will want to we'll want to come here to posts, so that we can add posts, and click the button add new. So I'm just going to put here first post, and I'm going to use some dummy text that I have, this one, so that you can see. I just copy and paste. You just write anything you want here in your posts. You can enter. You can make the letters bold. You can add hyperlinks. You can add media. From here, you select the files you want and upload from your computer. Open and insert it into post. Be sure to save your draft before publishing your information, so that you can actually see how it's going to work, and so that you don't publish something that you don't like. Okay, so this is basically how you create posts, and if you want to publish, just hit publish. I'm just trying to make it very basic so that you understand, and so the video is not extremely long, but you're going to play with everything here. And if you want to create to actually make a post and put that post in a category, add new category, whatever you want. So for example, I'm just going to refresh this so that you can see the first post. This is going to be my first post, and this is what you're going to do with everything you upload to your website. So now I'm going to show you how to create menus. So you just go to appearance and menus. Just hit menus, and you're going to put your menu name here when you first start. So I'm going to put menu 1. Create menu. Okay, so I'm going to want to add these pages to the menu. The pages, if you want to add more pages, you just add them here. But since I don't have anything, I'm just going to use these ones. Sample page, and I'm going to add to menu. Okay, so these are going to be the pages that are going to be in my menu. Remember always to save changes. Okay, so it's already saved. It's supposed to be here. I'm going to refresh so that I can show you. Alright, so as you can see, the pages are here. So you can just go to this page, and you're going to have this information that you put there. So now that we have the menu, I'm going to show you how to create a home button that you're going to be able to go to your home if you are in any place in your website. So for example, you come here to links, you just put the name that you want. For example, I'm going to put primary menu, and I will want to put the home link, copy and paste, and add to menu. So primary menu is going to be here. For example, this is going to be my home. So I would just go here, save menu, and I would go here to refresh, and my primary menu is going to be there. So I will be able to access it wherever I want, wherever I am. So now that's it with the menus, and this is basically how this is a basic tutorial to get your website up and running. As you can see, it's not very customized, but you can just add all your pages, add your opt-in form, your posts, your social media, anything you want, and you're going to get a very good looking website very quickly, so that the people who enter your blog can see you as an authority and see you that you are a professional person that's actually going to teach them a lot of good stuff. So alright guys, this is basically the end of this video. Be sure to watch the next video, and if you want to have the themes, the links for elegant theme, for pure leverage, I'm going to have that below this video, so check them out if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.